we'll guide you through how to crop an image in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape and create a new document to begin your project. Import your image into the workspace. Then select your image so it is active. Resize the image if needed to fit your canvas properly, and position the image on the canvas where you want it to appear. Next, select the rectangle tool and draw a shape over the area you want to crop. Adjust the shape size carefully and place the shape exactly where needed for an accurate crop. Make sure the shape is on top of the image layer. Then select both the image and the shape by holding Shift while clicking each object. Go to the top menu, click the Object menu, select Clip, and then click Set Clip to apply the crop. The image is now cropped to the shape you created. Double-check the crop area to ensure it looks correct, and adjust if needed by undoing and repeating the steps. You can also use different shapes if desired, such as trying a circle or a custom shape for more creative crops. If necessary, convert the shape to a path to allow more precise editing. Refine the shape using the Node tool to adjust points and curves, then reapply Clip after making changes. If you want to enhance the result, add a stroke outline if needed around the clipped area. Finally, save your file to keep your work safe. Go to the File menu, click Export, and save the cropped image as a PNG file for easy sharing and use. Take your time during each step to ensure accuracy and clean results. When creating the document, you can adjust page size according to your needs for better alignment. While importing the image, make sure it is high quality to avoid pixelation after cropping. When resizing, maintain proportions to prevent distortion. Positioning the image carefully helps you visualize the final result before clipping. While drawing the rectangle, zoom in if necessary for better precision. Adjusting the shape slowly ensures the crop area matches your intention. Keeping the shape on top is important because the clip function uses the top object as the mask. Navigating the menu carefully avoids mistakes when applying the clip.